In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoho Campaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confidently bring new contacts into your account so you can start sending targeted email campaigns right away. First, open your browser and log into your Zoho Campaigns account. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main dashboard. This is your control center, where you can see an overview of your campaigns, reports, and other key features. Take a quick moment to make sure you're in the right organization or workspace if you manage more than one, so the contacts you add go to the correct place. From the dashboard, look toward the top or left side of the screen for the Contacts section. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where Zoho Campaign stores all of the people you email, including leads, customers, and subscribers from different lists. Think of it as your central address book inside the platform. Once you're inside the Contacts section, you'll see different views or categories. To make things simple, click on All Contacts. This view shows every contact that currently exists in your account, regardless of which mailing list they're on. It's a great place to quickly check whether someone is already in your database before you try to add them. Now, to bring in new people, look for the option labeled Add New. This is usually a button or link that stands out on the page. Click on Add New to start the process. At this point, Zoho Campaigns may give you a few different ways to add contacts. For example, adding them one by one, importing from a file like a CSV, or sometimes syncing from another integrated app. Choose the method that best fits what you're trying to do right now. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Zoho will guide you step by step. You might be asked to select which mailing list or segment to add these contacts to, map fields like first name, last name, and email address, and confirm that the contacts you're adding have given permission to receive emails from you. Take your time with these details because accurate and permission-based data is essential for good deliverability and compliance. Once you've completed the prompts and confirmed everything, your new contacts will be added